Handy Hudsonite here to talk with you about a much easier way to navigate in Windows, particularly trying to find a function, trying to find a setting. We spend so much time searching in Windows for a way to change things. I know I do, whether it's the monitors, whether it's trying to set up your sound, but there's a much easier way to navigate this, and it's called God Mode. And God Mode works in Windows. I'm working in Windows 10. God Mode works in older versions. It works in Windows 11. So let me show you how to set that up. It's really easy, and it's going to enable us to see all the different functions and menus in Windows in a bird's eye view in one folder, so you don't have to go searching in multiple places for what you need to get done. So here I am on my desktop. What we're going to do is just create a new folder. So you right click, and you can also hit Control-Shift-N, and it'll also bring up a new folder. And this folder has to be named a specific thing, and I have this down in the description. It'll show here on the screen, and it's a longer name. It's a complex looking name, but all you have to do is copy and paste this into the name of the folder. So I'm going to do Control-V, and this is the name. Part of it's cut off here. If I use my arrow to go up, it starts with God Mode, and then it has these brackets, and then we'll hit enter, and you'll notice that it turns into this icon, which is similar to the control panel icon. So let's double click into it, and you'll notice here that we have 205 items shown in the lower left. So you have a plethora of menu items here that you would have normally had to go searching for. And of course you can search for these if you know the name, but this gives you that nice 50,000 foot level of what is all in your Windows settings. You can also search in here. So if you want to search for display, it'll bring up all the different menu items that have display in it. So just a very easy way to get around in Windows and to make that change, that simple setting change that would normally take you several minutes to find, going through all the different levels of menus. So let me know in the comments below if you've used God Mode, and if you're trying this for the first time, let me know what your experience is like. Give this video a like so that YouTube will share it out to others who need help discovering how to make it easier to navigate in Windows. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.